Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change input for your Mi Smart Projector 3 Pro. So the first thing is to navigate to this inputs button right next to the settings in the top right corner of the screen using your pilot, then click OK. And from here you can change the input to whatever connection you have established. So there's HDMI 1 and HDMI 2. You can also click on channels and you'll see some of the app channels. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.